Today we gather under one bright sun, many hearts, yet we beat as one. From every corner, every hue, NPS shines with colors true. Here dreams wear many accents, and laughter knows no land. We speak in different tongues, yet friendship is our common brand. In classrooms filled with wonder wide, cultures bloom side by side. We learn, we share, we grow, we play, and paint the world in our own way. So today, on this Children's Day, let's celebrate what makes us clear that diversity is not our difference, it's the melody of our existence. NPS, diverse and worthwhile.
San Butina heart, Mitlani town, Arem silo lendun hi, Deepum lai ne mala, Bansai reli har, Nui moi ye kalom puite, Ma sena tang atam. But let's not joke.